251 channels right here. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. What's up guys, this is TampaTec and this is an IPTV HD projector. Currently the Tanggula Y1 projector is $299 on sale. What's unique about this projector is that you can watch free TV on this projector. You just need Wi-Fi, which it does have. It has native 1080p resolution, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You could do AirPlay and Mirrorcast, whether you have iPhone or Android. Keystone correction, focus, but it's a manual focus, and HDMI port. It also has a USB port as well, and aux audio out. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Here's the power cable, got the remote. Here's the power button, home button. There's mouse mode, navigation controls, select, volume up and down. There's the menu, back button, and mute. And it takes 2 AAA batteries. It also comes with this tripod. Here is the projector and manual. Put that to the side for now. And this is a great projector to take on the go. Has a nice cloth front. Here's your manual focus right here. And I believe this is for auto keystone correction or maybe for the remote. The handle is made of silicone, I believe. And then back here, you have the heat vent or air vent, power connection, power on and off right here. It does light up when you plug it in. There's a headphone jack or auxiliary output. If you want to connect a Bluetooth speaker or surround sound, you need a 3.5 millimeter aux cable. There's a USB port, so you can technically plug in a Fire TV stick into the HDMI port and plug in to the USB for power. That would work. And there's an IR port as well. And this USB port, I believe you can play your MP3 or MP4 files on this or expand your storage for your smart projector. So this is a smart projector with Android 9.0. It also has 2 5-watt speakers, 2 gigs of RAM, and 32 gigs of ROM on board storage. And it is also a Bluetooth speaker as Bluetooth 5.0. And what makes me the most interested out of all those features is the IPTV live TV channels that you get for free. So we're gonna check that out. So simply just twist on the tripod, adjust this bolt, and just set it up somewhere where you're about 15 feet away. Make sure you have a projector screen or a white wall. It's a 120-inch widescreen made by Elite Screen. All right, so this is what it looks like with the lights on. All right, with the lights off, looks like there's an update. All right, let's do that next time. All right, this is what it looks like with the lights off. Of course, it's gonna look way better with the lights off, but if you have the lights on, it's gonna look faded, of course. And so we're gonna go ahead and adjust the focus using that knob on top of the projector. We're gonna navigate over. It has Mirrorcast, like I said, Android, has AirPlay. So first we're gonna try Mirrorcast. Let's try that. And so I have a Samsung phone, so we're gonna swipe down and check out that setting, swipe across, click on Smart View. And under Smart View, it says Mirror Screen Y1. That's the model. Start now. And there we go. My screen is mirrored. And it looks like there is a little bit of lag, but it does work really well. Let's go ahead and go to my videos so I don't get flagged. Turn it this way. Looks like it's working. Resolution should adjust. There it goes. And of course you could pause it. And we're gonna run through the settings. Like I said, it has Wi-Fi. I'm already connected to my Wi-Fi, but you can also connect a Wi-Fi hotspot as well. It does work offline. You just have to connect the device to the HDMI port. And it's also a Bluetooth speaker, like I said. Let's go ahead and go to picture mode, and you can shrink the image. I'm about 15 feet away, and it fills up about 120-inch image on the screen. And you can shrink it down to almost, I believe, 50%. So if you need to squeeze it in, you can do that. But if you want the picture bigger, you're just gonna have to move it back. Just like any old projector besides laser projectors. This is an LED projector. All right, so here's the projection mode. You got front, rear, and then ceiling mount, and then ceiling rear. And then right here is the keystone correction. It does have auto keystone correction, but of course, if you do it manually, it's gonna be a little bit better. So here's the offset right here, as you can see. Wow, that's pretty good right there. And go to the 4-point correction. There we go. And then power on setting, and I got fan on auto. The fan isn't too loud actually. It's pretty quiet for the most part. You can hear it if it's dead silence in your room. And the speakers we're gonna test out. So this room is actually kind of big. It's a 20 by 20 room, maybe. And right here is the signal. We got HDMI signal. That's pretty much the only port besides the USB port. So we got device, boot up to device or HDMI. CEC is HDMI control feature. So if you have like a PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, pretty much any device that has HDMI control, you want to make sure you have that setting turned on your device, and make sure you have it turned on right here as well. Then when you turn on the projector, it will communicate via the HDMI cable to that device and turn on that device in sync with the projector. And also right here, audio return channel is if you have a surround sound unit that supports audio return channel, then you don't have to connect the auxiliary cable to your surround sound. You could just use the HDMI cable, and it will transfer audio and video through that HDMI cable. So that's the audio return channel. Make sure you set that on your device and the projector, and then it would hopefully work. So right here, there's your sounds. We have vivid or standard. Not too many options there. And then right here we have your languages, and right here we have the app management. Like I said earlier, external storage via USB. And it looks like they're preloaded with some apps. We're gonna check that out later. And right here we got your factory settings if you want to reset it. So let's go ahead and check out YouTube first. All right, so we're gonna check out a video right here. So this video, I have it on max right here.
Opinion. Here's what it is. Troy.
All right, so the audio is pretty loud. Doesn't have too much bass. If you want to connect it to a surround sound unit, you could do that via HDMI using the ARC feature, like I mentioned, or if you have a Bluetooth speaker, you can actually connect that using a 3.5 auxiliary cable to your Bluetooth speaker, and that would work as well. All right, this is what I'm most interested in, is Tang TV. This is IPTV, live free TV channels. This is what I think most people will be interested in this projector. This right here. Let's see if it pulls up, and it does. All right, so it looks like we got live TV here, and movies and TV series as well. And it looks like you can update it right here by clicking on that, and it will, I guess, refresh or download the list. I don't know what it does, to be honest. But let's check out the live TV first, and then we'll go to movies and then series. So it has 11,454 channels. Let's try CNN International. Oh wow, it works. All right. Let's try Fox Business. When it says USA, I guess it means just the USA channel.
The railroad put the park
Wow, it works fast. It works faster than Hulu.
Rima gave the park a high-end launch.
Interesting.
Like it belonged there.
Okay, let's try the history.
To the people.
The automobile was the equalizer.
It's easy to get here, you can camp out for free, you can catch fish for free. You can come visit Yellowstone fairly cheaply, so it's no longer just an elite tourism scene.
Yellowstone has first-class hotels and millions of tourists each year.
It's loading the history. No, this
But it's
is...
still one of the most remote places in
I hit history, but... Oh, this is like my channel history. Oh, I get it. I thought it was history channels. Okay, I got it. That has Cuban channels? Get out of here. How did they get Cuban channels? That's a very closed off country. That's incredible. Wow. That is so cool. This is very interesting. Alright, it has USA Entertainment. Let's click on that and see what that comes up. It's loading. It has A&E, has AccuWeather, AMC East. It has Animal Planet channel. Whoa, 251 channels right here. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. This is insane. You know, I was very suspicious about this, and now I'm like, this is actually real. It has Bally Sports, are you kidding me? People pay for that. Let's click on Bally Sports. It's gonna probably load. Yeah, let's see how long it takes to load. Oh, if it has less channels, it loads faster. That makes sense. Alright, so yeah, of course, it's late at night, so nothing's really playing. Alright, let's try something else. Yeah, looks like it's working. It has NHL, MLB, NBA, Sunday Ticket. You gotta be kidding me. Is there any sports going on? Oh, there's Monday night. I think football. I think it's over by now. Let's see. It pulls up. It's probably over by now. This is crazy. Let's check out the movies though. Alright, let's go to movies. Alright, let's see. Alright, here's the movies right here. There's new releases. Looks like international movies. Maybe mixed with American movies. I'm not sure. But it seems... Yeah. It seems to be that way. Alright, it looks like it's mixed between American and international movies. And you get sci-fi movies. Let's click on sci-fi and see what... That's my favorite genre. Oh yeah, it's Alien. Alright, so it's like a little mix between like international movies and American movies. This is a movie back in the 80s. Star Trek. Hit the back button on the remote. And so let's go ahead and go to series. And let's go to comedy. I like comedy. So this is a older. Oh no, some of it's like a mix. So this is a mix between older comedy shows and newer. And international looks like. So my overall experience with the Tanggula IPTV projector is actually, I am definitely surprised that it has so much content in it preloaded and it works as good as it does. Like a lot of things I get, like, you know, Android boxes and it says IPTV and this and that. It doesn't work as well as this. This works very well, and when you tap on that app, it boots up quite fast. And when you tap on a program, it boots up and it loads quite fast. And it looks like HD quality. So it's pretty crazy that it has thousands of live free TV channels and movies and series. It's probably too good to be true, right? But it has it on there. You want to check it out for yourself and see how much it costs. Check out the link in the video description below. And if you know anyone that might be interested in this IPTV projector, go ahead and click on the share button below. Share this video to them. Let someone know about it. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.